You ready to learn about your animals? Yes?
Yeah.
Let's start with the names. We have a blister beetle,
A blister beetle.
red bird of paradise.
Yeah.
Say it.
I don't know how to say it.
Red bird of paradise.
I don't know how to say
Well,
it.
you gotta try. Red bird of paradise.
Red bird of paydays.
Perfect. Antarctic fur seal.
No.
Yeah, Antarctic fur seal.
I don't know how to say.
Well, you gotta try.
Busty butt.
No. Antarctic fur seal.
Antarctic Perseal.
Good. European wildcat.
A peeing wildcat.
Gemsbok.
Jim's Bach.
And a humpback whale.
A humpback wheel.
Those are your animals this month. What's this one called? European wildcat.
A peeing wildcat.
Is that silly?
Yeah.
Do you like this book that Grammy sends you?
Yeah.
Say thanks, Grammy.
Thanks, Grammy.
All right.